This is the sunroof for the Tesla Model 3. It contains two parts which go in the front and back respectively. And it also has two beams, both of which the front, the longer one is front, and the rear one, the small one, goes in the back. This kit contains some gloves you can use to prevent scratching and denting in your car and on the sunroof. The fasteners are included in each of the two beams. Should be 4 screws inside. These screws will be used to fasten the beams to the sunroof's mainframe. When installing the beam for your Tesla Model 3, make sure the red arrow is facing forward and that the front one is being installed in the front and the back in the back. In order to install the front beam, you will need to align the plastic insert with the edge of the glass and the B-pillar. You slide it in through the front and then repeat the process in the back. And then insert this beam until it can't go any further. Then to take the back beam, make sure the red arrow is facing forward. Then once again, insert closer to the back and slide the black inserts. Then slide the whole thing all the way. Then slide the whole thing all the way into the car, towards the back of the car. Now we will proceed to take the 4 screws out from each of the parts, each of the two halves of the two beams. When aligning the tarp on top of the mainframe in the sunroof, make sure that the sticky part is directly aligned on top of the metal frame so that there's no discrepancies in space, and so that installation will be easier on the roof. When installing this, make sure the white flaps are facing forward. So you peel off the top right corner and slide it in all the way. And likewise for the other side. And then should either rub or press in the adhesive so that it doesn't stick off. The next step is to make sure that the metal bar will go inside the rear support beam. So just slightly peel it off and slide it in. The other side as well. Then peel it off and screw in the bolt here on the left side. Then peel off the rear right and rear left angle, whichever side you're doing, and insert the screw into this hole. Make sure they're both aligned. So you peel it off, plug in the screwdriver to align this thing. And plug it in and screw it in. After the installation, make sure you test the curtains to see that they work. See, most things just require you to work them through.